Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create auto caption on VN video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN video editor application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project on VN. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project, and since we want to edit video, we can choose video based. Okay, I'm going to create auto caption for my video. But wait, I'm still looking for the video. Wait, guys. I'm going to find my video. Okay, this one. I'm going to create auto caption for this video. So I'm going to add this video to my project. I'm going to click on next and wait. Okay, and here I'm going to show you guys how we can get the auto captions. Basically, you just need to select your video, and then you can scroll all the way to the right. Then you will find auto captions. Okay, just tap on the auto captions, and you can choose the language. But actually, VN Video Editor can detect language, but I prefer to select the language. You can choose the language that you use in your video. You can select the video language, and I'm using English, so I'm gonna select English. Okay, and once you're done choosing the language, you just need to click on convert. Okay, oops, sorry. We need to select base or tiny, because if we select the cloud-based conversion, we need to subscribe to VN. Okay, so you just need to select the tiny or base. Okay, and now the auto caption is being created. All right, and this is the auto captions, guys. You can click on done, or if you are not satisfied with how it looks, or if you're not satisfied with the caption, you can just change it like this. You can edit manually one by one. You can also erase it if you don't like the auto caption. Okay, and I'm just going to click on done. And okay, this is the result. And you can do styling for your caption. You can change the font size or color, and it's up to you guys. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create auto caption on VN. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.